In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up lead scoring in HubSpot. First, let's access the lead scoring tool. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. You will see the main dashboard, which is your starting point for navigating HubSpot's features. Next, click on the main navigation menu, which is usually located at the top of the page. From there, navigate to Marketing and then select Lead Scoring. This action is crucial because it directs you to the specific area where you can set up lead scoring, allowing you to score your leads effectively. If you prefer a more streamlined approach, you can also click on the Settings gear icon, then go to Data Management and select Properties. Here you can modify or create a new property with the field type set to Score. This alternative helps customize your lead scoring process for your unique needs. Once you are in the lead scoring section, it's time to choose your scoring object and type. Click on the Create Score button. This button is your gateway to establishing how you will evaluate your leads. You will then see options to score either contacts, companies, or deals. Choosing the correct scoring object is essential because it determines which aspect of your sales pipeline you will be evaluating. After making your selection, you can proceed to select the type of score you wish to build. Now let's explore the different scoring types available. The first option is Fit Score. This score evaluates records based on static property values. For example, it can assess factors like job title, company revenue, and location. This scoring type is important because it helps you identify leads that align closely with your ideal customer profile. Understanding your leads fit ensures that your sales efforts are directed towards the most promising opportunities. Next, we have the engagement score. This option scores records based on events and activities. Examples include email clicks, page views, and form submissions. Engagement is a key indicator of interest and intent. Tracking these actions can help you understand how actively leads are interacting with your brand. This insight allows you to tailor your follow-up strategies more effectively. Finally, you can choose the combined score, which is a mix of both fit and engagement. This scoring type offers a comprehensive view of your leads by integrating static property values with engagement metrics. This is particularly useful because it provides a holistic understanding of a lead's potential. It combines the best of both worlds, helping you prioritize leads based on their fit and engagement levels simultaneously. As you move through these steps, remember that setting up lead scoring is a powerful way to optimize your marketing efforts. It ensures that you focus on leads that are more likely to convert, saving you time and resources in the long run. Once you have made your selections, you are well on your way to implementing an effective lead scoring system in HubSpot. With that ready, you can continue refining your lead scoring strategy. By understanding how to set up these scores, you are equipping yourself with the tools to maximize your marketing impact. Good luck as you explore the full potential of lead scoring in HubSpot.